In today's video, we're going to look into how you can utilize Power BI bookmarks to switch between different designs of Nebula. So let's say that you want to have a dark and light design and you want to be able to switch between them. Or you have a special occasion, let's say Christmas, you want to add a Christmas design to your reports, but still enable for users to choose whether they want the new Christmas design or your standard design. Or in our case, we're going to have a design that will be an imaginary client's design, which is what we're seeing here. And we're going to create another one that will be made with our BI Samurai colors, and you will be able to switch between them. So yeah, for the client design, this is already what I want. I'm just going to now have to create another one for the BI Samurai design. So I'll name this client Nebula. And I'm going to copy and paste this, and it's going to be, oops, okay, BI Samurai Nebula. Perfect. So since this design doesn't take, it doesn't have a background, I'm just going to add a simple rectangle. I'm going to stretch it across the page. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to add the color that is one of our one brand colors. So I'll add it here, is this nice orange, and I'm going to send this background rectangle to the back. Now I'll just change this header to kind of a very dark gray, almost black, which is also something that also a color that we use. I'm really just copying in the hex codes that I saved earlier. I'm going to just change this shadow a little bit so it looks a little bit better. Perfect. And what I'm also going to do is make my squares, my boxes, a little bit transparent. And I'm going to go to, yeah, let's say 8. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to speed this part up. Perfect. So now this is going to be my BI Samurai design, and my client design is here. I'm just going to group these two now. Group, I'm going to call them Nebula designs. And I'm going to create 2 bookmarks for each of the designs. I'm going to also name these BI Samurai design. I'm just going to name them BI Samurai and client, actually, because it's going to look nicer on the button. I'm going to group them. And this would be my page 11 page 12 bookmark. And what I will also do is just set the settings. So I don't want this to affect the data, and I only want to affect selected visuals, and the same for the second one. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do is, for the BI Samurai bookmark, I want the BI Samurai Nebula visible, but not the client one. And it's a selected visual, so if I select the group, it just, it selects everything in that group. And for the client one, I don't want BI Samurai Nebula to be visible, but I want the client one to be visible. Selecting the group again and saying update. So now if I move between my 2 bookmarks, I get a different design. So what I'm still going to do is just bring the nebulas back into the bottom. So now if I change, I get, all of the other visuals on top. And I want to enable changing this with the click of a button. So I'm just going to add buttons, navigator bookmark, and I'm going to select my page 12. And let me, for this purpose, just hide Nebula a little bit so I can align this a little bit better. Okay, let's have it here. Now Nebula is back. This is my button. Now it's on Nebula. On BI Samurai, if I click on client, the design changes. If I click on BI Samurai, I have the BI Samurai design. And this is how you can very easily utilize the bookmarks to switch between your Nebula designs for whatever purpose this is needed. Thank you.